Hey, this is a project that Grayson's going to be working on next couple of days. We're going to do some, we got to get this truck started. We got some other stuff to do. We're going to do the floorboard and stuff later on, but we're also going to work on his maintenance merit badge. But anyhow, this is day one. Oh, wrong one. Yep. All right, turn your wrench out. Yeah, always want to go that way. Yeah, we could have used a 3/8 on this one.
Probably.
Yeah. We good?
One more.
Okay. Hey, we just put a fan shroud on the engine. We're good. Hit the button on back.
Start.
Now come on in here. See this right here?
Yeah.
That's what you got to replace right there.
Oh, that rust?
Yeah, all that rust right here. See that right there, that bushing? That
Mhm.
rubber thing? And then see this one right here?
Yeah.
That's one. We got to take this one loose, that one loose, and then we're going to replace all this here. But we're going to leave this here. So it will just be this inner piece right here. But it'll replace all this stuff, all that there, all the way across. Yeah, it'll be good. I don't think it's going to be terrible.
That
Carol.
exhaust is hanging.
But here's your drive shaft. Your seal looks okay, but it's just a little too long. Here's your exhaust system. Right now it's just the headers and a muffler. Take a picture. There's just the headers and the muffler. But now you're going to have pipes that's going to go all the way to the back, and they'll go out right in front of the, right behind the tires.
That's a fan probe. There's a wasp in there.